Hey guys, my name is Chris. I'm an electronics technician studying to be an electronics engineer in Australia. I am coming up to my final year of electronics engineering next year, and I've decided for my final year project I'm going to create something that should interest a lot of you pinheads out there, which is going to be a complete pinball solution, which isn't just me designing a pinball machine, but I'm going to be designing a complete pinball system, including driver boards, including an FPGA based control that controls all the switches and lighting. I'm gonna write all the code to run the machine, which is going to be scalable to other pinball machines. So say I wanted to create a different pinball machine with a different theme later down the track, I could simply just use my PCBs, much like what Stern does or all the large companies, to just redo the code and already have everything there to make the pinball machine run. I'm hoping on this channel to have updates multiple times a week that's going to cover everything from electronics to coding the FPGA, and as well as coding the Linux system behind it. I'll be having tutorials on how pinball machines run, as well as guides on SolidWorks how to build or design your own playfield parts, or even your own playfield accessories. So if you wanted to design something like your own slime for your Slimer on your Ghostbusters, I can teach you how to do that, as well as teach you hopefully a bit more about pinball machines and how they run while I create this machine. Hopefully this is interesting to a lot of you guys out there. I plan for it to take about 18 months from go to woe to have the complete working pinball machine, and a lot of time, because I'm going to be mostly working on this almost full time, and probably a lot of money too, but let's not talk about that. So yeah, if that's something that interests you, feel free to subscribe, because there's going to be heaps of content coming soon. The next video, which should be up pretty quick after this, is just going to be talking about what I'm going to be using to build this system, and why I chose to use those components. A lot of it, like why I chose to use an FPGA system, and that's mostly because engineering, that's what I want to get into, programming FPGAs, so it works out really well. So things like that, and how all the systems going to integrate together. And then, yeah, I'll just keep flowing on from there. So if that's something you feel is going to interest you, feel free to stick around. Comment if there's something specific you want to see a video tutorial on, and I'll try cover it. But yeah, so thanks very much for your time, and I hope this is something that interests you guys. All right, cheers. Bye.